OMG. Okay, Carissa. I got my handsome date. Hey, babe. Ooh, ooh. Oh, are you blushing? Ooh.
So my girlfriend told me to dress up appropriate, she had a surprise for me, right? Okay, cool. It's a surprise. 5-course meal, my people. Look at her. My beautiful girlfriend. Surprising me and doing all this fancy stuff. Anybody woman that love them a butt. Thank you, girlfriend. Yeah. Course number 5. And I'm struggling. I'm really struggling, people. Look at that.
Hi, boss. How you feeling? You getting ready for Trinidad? Getting ready for Trinidad, man?
Man.
How they talk? How Trinidadian? How them talk? I don't know. Anyways. Alright. Nice.
Clean again, you know, man. You can't hold me and get me a cheek cut. Yo, watch out, man. And all of the twist up and...
Okay, okay. But Mr. Bolt, though. Ooh!
Strips. Hey! Yeah. Whole team there. I'll do the strips, isn't it? Yes, Steve. Ready for the road. Yeah. Go start up. Yeah. Break that.
Don't leave the speaker.
Briscoe, don't leave the speaker. Shango down. Trinidad. We're on the way, man. We're on the way now. Boy. Yo. Life. I like the life, yeah. What's my friend name?
Listen, nigga. Yo, we're going to the left. We're going to the left, you fish. We don't start. Ready. Set up on start. Ready. 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 Let's go. Why Teach them! Hey, yo, hello! Send the message and make it reach them. It's Teach Them, right here. Warlord representing.
Thank you for watching. Please leave a comment below. Remember to like and share the video. Don't forget to subscribe for more awesome content. Follow me on social media and check out the suggested videos on screen. This is Teach saying, until next time, walk good, my friends.